Alam mo, ito ang tatlong lessons para sa mga kabataan. Build slow, but sure. Alam mo, mas better yan kesa try to shortcut and fail over and over again. Kaya sa totoo lang, we live in a world that is completely obsessed with speed. We want overnight success, viral fame, and instant wealth. Everywhere you look on social media, na para bang someone is selling a blueprint on how to hack your way to the top. Pero, here's what I found out in being able to become a youth before and be in the professional world after more than a decade. Let me give you some personal straight talk. Shortcuts are a trap. Because when you try to skip the steps, you skip the lessons. You skip building the journey of life. A career, a dream, on a shortcut is like building a house on sand. It might look impressive for a second, pero the moment that the storm hits, the whole thing collapses because it lacks a foundation. Alam mo, ito yung reason why choosing to build slowly but surely is the ultimate power move bilang kabataan. Pakinggan mo ito, if you're a teenager or maybe you're in college. Character takes time to build. You can't rush maturity, resilience, or integrity. The challenges that you face along the way when you take the long road are actually forging you the character that you need to sustain for the success to come and for you to actually continue success. Number two, true expertise cannot be copy-pasted. Huwag kang maniniwala na pwede yung i-copy-paste. Icons aren't made in a weekend. Whether it's mastering a craft, learning a business, or developing a skill, deep competence requires hours of quiet and glamorous focus. And number three, peace of mind is priceless. Alam mo, when you build the wrong way, it will cost you your peace of mind. But when you build it right, without cutting corners, cheating the system, or compromising your values, makakatulog ka ng mahimbing every single night, guaranteed. You don't have to look over your shoulders, wondering when it's all gonna catch up to you. Kaya alam mo, gusto ko mag-reflect ka habang pinag-uusapan natin ito ngayon. The overnight successes that you see usually have 5 to 10 years of silent, invisible hard work backing them up. Ito yung mga tunay na successful. Ang nakikita mo lang, yung harvest. You did see them planting and you did see them watering in the journey. So, kung you're a youth right now, take a deep breath. You are young. And time is actually your greatest asset, not your enemy. Katulad ng sa finance, di ba? Meron tayong tinatawag na compounding interest. At gumagana yan sa finance. Alam mo, gumagana rin yan sa buhay. Every small, honest effort you put in today will compound into massive, unshakable results tomorrow. That's why, my suggestion for you, stop looking for the elevator. Take the stairs. It may be a longer climb, but the view from the top is guaranteed. Nick Flores, inspiring your possibilities to make your dreams happen.